Okay, so in the previous video, we solved multi-step equations by multiplying or dividing. Now let's do it by adding and subtracting. So again, I have my fence. You are still trying to get the variable by itself. And so we need to figure out, okay, what do I need to get rid of? Well, it's the 5. So what is the 5 doing? We are adding. So if we are adding 5, how do I undo that? Well, adding, so I need to subtract 5 instead. So if I subtract 5 on both sides of the equation, then I'm left with 5 minus 5 gives me 0, which is what I want, and x equals 7. So checking the work, put a 7 back in for your x. So 7 plus 5 equals 12, and 12 equals 12. It's exactly what I want. If we have x minus 7 equals 18, again, it's the variable we want by itself. So we need to get rid of this negative 7 or subtracting 7. So if we are subtracting 7, to undo that, I need to add 7 both sides. I'm going to add 7 here. Negative 7 or subtracting 7, adding 7, they undo each other. So x equals 25. Checking the work. 25 minus 7 equals 18. This gives me 18 equals 18, and it checks. A common error, do not do this, but a common error is when the number is in front, say 8. Common error is for people to add 8 to both sides because they don't think there's a sign here. There is an understood positive sign, which is the same thing as addition. So we need to subtract 8 on both sides. Those cancel out, and you're left with x equals 4. Check it. 8 plus 4 equals 12, and 12 equals 12, so it checks. So that is solving one steps by adding and subtracting.